This is a loading technique to the abdominal area, so that covers the lower half of the front torso, which is roughly around this section. I like to use more of this type of roller, but you're more than welcome to use a smaller ball or a ball itself. And then from there, I'm going to be more on my elbows and more on my thighs and my knees. I'm going to shift down a bit until I feel that target tissue or the tissue that's sensitive. I'm going to hold that there. So the first technique is the seek and destroy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find an area that's sensitive. I'm going to roll up towards my chest and then roll down towards my hips and find an area that's sensitive. I'm going to hold that position, take a breath in, and then when I exhale, I'm going to try to drape my body over it. I can rest my forehead on my hands just like this. And then I can repeat that process where I find another spot, take an inhale, and exhale and just try to drape my body over it until it desensitizes or becomes a little bit more tolerable. The second technique you can do is more of the pin and stretch. So I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to find an area that's sensitive. Once I find an area that's sensitive, I'm going to hold that position. From there, I'm going to place my hands down and I'm going to go up and press up just like this so that the tissues in the abdominal area kind of stretch out. From this position, I can hold that there and just breathe into it again so that my body drapes over that roller again. I'm going to inhale, exhale, and drape my body over it. If you want to modify it a little bit and try to get a little bit more load out of it, you can slowly twist your body or side bend your body one direction and then slowly side bend your body the opposite direction. So with me, I feel a little bit more load when I side bend and move towards my left side, so I'm going to hold that position. I'm going to inhale, exhale, and just allow my body to drape over that roller and desensitize and become a little bit more tolerable.